Now admin can place an order, but we do not have any order management or what to do once an order has been placed. So let's work on order management in this section. For that, if you think about in order management, we need a drop-down with all the order status. The first thing that we have to do is we need to add an orders controller. So we'll close all the tabs that we have. We will go to our controllers and let's add a new controller. We will be adding an MVC empty controller and we'll name this order controller. What will be all the services that we need using dependency injection? We need the order header repository, order detail repository, and if someone wants to cancel an order, we will also need Braintree. So rather than typing all of that, we can go to our cart controller. We have quite a few services. Let me copy this, close the controller, paste it here, change the constructor name to order controller. We do not need a bind property right now, and we'll remove everything that we don't need. So we'll just keep the repositories and Braintree. We'll add the using statement and we'll remove everything else. This looks good for our constructor and dependency injection. Then when we'll be working inside the index for listing all the orders, we will need a filter for all the order status. So for that we'll need a drop down. And based on that, it won't be just the list of order header for our index model. So let me add a new view model for that. So we'll go to our view models. Let's add a new class here and we'll call this order list view model. We'll make this a public class, and for now we'll just add an IEnumerable of order header and we'll call this order h list. Then as I said before, I want a drop down for all the status. So for that I can add an IEnumerable of select list item. And I'm gonna call this as status list. We'll also add a string property for status, and this will hold what is the current value of status that user has selected. Our view model looks good inside our index action. Let's do that in the next video.